हेलो एवरीवन, इट्स क्वाइट चिली इन भोपाल। तो मैंने शॉल के कुर्ते सिलवाए हैं। मेरी मॉम की पुरानी शॉल रखी हुई थी, सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट कुर्ता। कितना प्यारा एम्ब्रॉयडरी है ना। एंड इसकी स्लीव्स पे बहुत प्यारा एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क है। और दूसरा, ये भी मेरी मॉम की पुरानी शॉल रखी थी। ये थोड़ा सा कश्मीरी लुक दे रहा है बिकॉज इसकी फ्रिंजेस है एजेस पे। So I'm gonna style myself in these two kurta. This is the first kurta. This color looks so good on me, right? And I have paired this with white pants. Now let's add some jewelry and makeup. For necklace, I am wearing rose gold rose pendant necklace. And now for the jewelry, I'm gonna wear this pearl hanging bracelet. I got this in a haldi ceremony. In another wrist, I'm gonna wear my wristwatch. For ring, I'm gonna wear a golden ring with pearl edges. By the way, this ring is available for sale. You can DM me to order. And in other hand, I'm gonna wear my engagement ring. This is not available to order. For earrings, I'm gonna wear my brand's pearl hanging earrings. This is also available for sale. I'm gonna add the description in the description box. You can DM me to order. It looks so pretty, right? एंड इस कुर्ते के कलर के साथ तो पर्ल ज्वेलरी और ही ज़्यादा अच्छी लग रही है। कमेंट एंड लेट मी नो आप कैसे इस कुर्ते को स्टाइल करते, कौन सी ज्वेलरी और कैसे मेकअप के साथ। Now I'm gonna apply a bindi. It's a sea blue small bindi with golden nug on it. It's very small. It's gonna be hard for you guys to see, but it looks good. Now for the lipstick, I am gonna apply Kiko Milano lipstick. It's a 2-in-1 lipstick with one side lip color and another side it's a lip gloss. So I'm gonna apply both. If you want the actual shade of this lipstick, please do let me know in the comment section and I'll reply back to you. So this is the whole look. Now let's style the other kurta. I think this looks better on me, right? I have paired this with black leggings. इसकी एम्ब्रॉयडरी बहुत ही प्यारी है, especially on the sleeves. Now let's style it with some jewelry and makeup. For this, I'm gonna again wear the same necklace, and for the jewelry, I decided to go for black chudiya in one hand. And for the other hand, I'm gonna wear this dull gold kada. It's actually called a wrist cuff and very difficult to wear, but it looks good with the kurta. For rings, I'm gonna wear dull gold rings, two of them, one a little modern and one traditional, which goes with the outfit. And in another hand, my engagement ring. For earrings, I'm gonna wear these pretty dull gold jhumkas. PS, these earrings are available for sale at rupees 350 only. So if you want to buy them, comment and let me know. And I'm gonna add the details in the description box as well. Now I'm gonna put on a bindi. So I thought of applying a red bindi which goes with the kurta and also will look good and better than the black bindi. So this is red bindi with golden Swarovski on it. I know it's very small, but I like tiny bindis. For lipstick, this is a Nykaa brand lipstick with the brownish shade. If you like the color, do let me know. I'm gonna add the shade number in the description box. So this is the whole look. Do let me know which look you like the most, look 1 or look 2. Also do subscribe to my channel.